So today I got this question. It seems very difficult. What do you think about it?
Well, it looks difficult, yes, but when you think about it, actually it's not that difficult, right? So you can see, we can use this law to turn all these, right, into simple numbers, right? And we can take this for example, right? I'm going to take this and write log x, y is a plus 1. Now we see there are two terms in the denominator, right? But to use this rule, we have to have only one term in the denominator. So I'm going to write this 1 as log base x of x, right? So that becomes 1 over log base x y is z plus log base x x. And using simple logarithmic rules, we can write this as log base x x y z, right? So I'm going to use this in apply this to all these terms, right? So let's write. I'm going to write this as log base x y z, and here 1 over log base y x y z. Here as well log z x y z. So now you see we can apply this log, and I'm going to write this as the base becomes the value. So log base x y z, the value becomes x, plus log base x y z y plus log base x y z, right? And again we are going to use simple logarithmic rules and turn this into multiplication of the values, right? So you are going to have this as log x y z of x y z equals, I'm going to take the 1, right? So what we were doing was simplifying the LHS so that we can get the RHS out of the LHS, right? So you get so you can see x y z into the 1 equals x y z, right? So this whole term can be written as 1. So 1 equals 1. The proof is done.